Back to business. Okay, second part of our lesson. Okay, so for this factorization question, right, I still want you to do it my way. Okay, so actually my way and your school way, right, just one difference. What's the difference? You just need to have one more step in between. So example for this question. Okay, there is a minus. Okay, so what's common? 7, right? So you take out 7. Right? So what did I say just now? You have the minus, you have the plus 1. What you need to do? It's a good practice to move the plus 1 up. Yeah, move to the front. So this is a rearrangement or move over? Rearrangement. So no need to change the sign. So plus 1 is still plus 1. Minus 5f still. So that's the final answer. So this compared to this is the convention. You know what's convention? Convention means the way we used to do things. Alright? It's just like you wash hands before eating. Okay? So it's a convention. Okay? So for the rest, I don't want to go through because they are too simple. Okay? Just want to go through I just want to pick a few and then just go through them. Like this question. Okay? If you do it my way. What's this? N. Okay, so how do you split this? So you underline the term first, right? Once you underline, then you can split. Okay, it really depends how you see it. So I can underline the minus 8 here. 8 cannot. Maybe minus 4 can. Minus 4, 7C, W. Then this one is 8, W, N. Looks like my arrow, I need to do a better job. I need to point to the... Oh, by the way, this is minus 8 because there's a minus here. So minus 8 cannot, must minus 4 because minus 4 is here, so it's minus 4. So I need to have a 2. Am I right? So what is common here? Okay. And there is nothing in between. What do you put? Yeah. So minus 4 W, minus 4 W, okay, minus 4 W, common. So what is left? 7C left. Plus in between, 2N next. That's the answer. Okay? Okay? Okay. Revision note set 3. Okay, good. So this is the most common question. I think you make a mistake here last time. You remember? They tell you the total is, let's say, all these they add up to, let's say, 50. So what you do? Just pick this plus this plus this plus this, give equal to 50. Okay? I think the other time you did not even understand the question, right? But okay, this question they never ask for that. Okay, they ask differently. They say they show a what's the meaning of parallelogram? Do you know that? Parallelogram means parallel and then opposite sides are equal. So this one parallel with this one. This one parallel with this one. Okay, and this one they are equal. Then opposite this one equal. Okay, so based on this concept, right, then you can see that 3y, which is this one, plus 11 is equal to this one, 3x plus y. Okay, then similarly the 2x minus 1 and this one is the equal. So far so good. Then after that, what you do, you simplify accordingly. How do you simplify? Combine similar terms. Right? Right? Okay, good. So this one, 3y, I move it here. Okay, so I do 1 first. So I move it over. This is move over, right? When you move over, you need to
change.
So 3y become
Minus.
Okay, continue. Okay. By the way, 11 is equal to 3x minus 2y. So that means 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. Why I need to do this? Why I need to do this transformation? Do you know why I need to do this transformation?
Because
I want to put it in what format?
the substitution. I mean the
No, I need to change it to a format first. What format is that?
the x,
Yes, and then?
y,
And then?
and the number.
Good. So that's one. Yeah. Oh, by the way, do you know how I change? How I transform this into this one or not? Here, look here. A equal to B, so B is also equal to
A.
yeah. So 11 is equal to this whole thing. 11 is equal to this whole thing. So this whole thing is also equal to 11. Does it make sense to you? Does it make sense to you? Okay. Okay, good. This is the most simplest form for this. Next, this one done. Now I do this one. So underline similar term. I need to move it here, right? So now, good. Minus 1 is here. 2x, move it over, becomes minus 2x. Over here, plus x, plus y. So minus 1 equals to minus 2x plus this minus x plus y. So how do you convert this? How do you transform this? What do you get?
Negative xy, x plus y equals negative 1.
Correct. Okay. This one is not called bring over. Remember, this one is not bring over. This one is called switch position. You understand me? You understand me? This is not bring over. But this is called switch position. Oh, okay. So this is the so the basically you end up with two new equations. So it's 3x minus 2y. So I just pick it and then write it properly here. Can you quickly use the calculator and figure this out? So what's it? X and
9.
wait, what you key in first? Okay, what you key in first?
3x
3.
minus
And then
11.
minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what you key in next?
Minus 1
Minus 1 and then?
plus 1
And then?
and 1.
Minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1.
Okay, so once again what you get?
X equals to 9.
Y equals to?
8.
Okay. Can I ask, is this done by you or you copy?
That one my teacher teach one.
No, you teach means you copy from your teacher or your teacher teach and then somehow you know how to do.
That one my teacher teach and then after that he write down.
He write down then you copy the.
Yeah, but I understand the picture from my house. Kind of.
But okay, can I ask? I will say our first step is the same. Our first step is the same. You understand my working? You understand my working until this step or not? Until this step.
Yeah.
And then of course I'm lazy. I just use the what method?
Calculator. total.
Yeah. So what you use here? You use substitution, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I don't want to go through that. Okay, good. So now is the time to do the what's that? The graph. Yes. Can you do it on a piece of paper? Yeah, you already have that. You just need to take out your ruler and your pencil. You put your tree here. Okay, okay. What do I say when you draw a graph? You need to plan. Did you plan? You stop first. If you don't plan, you go and draw. Later you need to erase. You waste more time. How do you plan? You need to look at the table of value first. Without the table of value, you don't know what value of x you have, what value of y you have. So without the table, you cannot plan. Can you get yourself a table first? Can you erase your x and y axis? Remember, the first step is plan. But before you plan, you need to have a table of x and y value. Without the x and y value, you don't know how to plan. Because you don't even know the range of value you need. You understand me? So, get yourself a table. By the way, when it comes to the table, I think it's very easy. Why? Can you see you already have all the small little grid? So, x value is for the first one. Then y is below. So, x value, you are given the range from?
-4.
Yeah, write down -4. Okay, so here, right, you try not to use one grid for one. You try to use one grid for two because you are going to have a lot of value. If you are going to use one grid for one, right, you're going to use a lot of space. So you try to not squeeze lah, but divide it. Yeah. No, don't draw the line first. Just write down all the numbers first. Write down all the number first. One grid tree at you. Okay, good. Okay, still good. One grid should have two. Okay, good. So what's your x value? Then now you go and use the ruler. Don't be lazy. You use the ruler to split. Okay? So I think there is a problem with the 0, 1, 2, and you know why? Because one grid you have 3 already. But okay, I'm fine with this. But next time I'm expecting one grid only. Yes. So when x equal to -4, what is y? How do you decide? How many equations you have? Okay, so look at this. You have two equations. So equation 1, equation 2, given the range, right? So if you have two equations, you are going to have how many lines? Two equations, how many lines you have?
2.
So you're going to have line 1, and then you're going to have line 2, right? One line is given by one table, right? Right? So line 2 is given by another table. So this table is given by line what? Line what?
1.
Yes. So you write line 1 on top. By the way, you need to do a bit of change to this. Wait. You write line 1 means you write your equation 1 on top. So you bear in mind the step. It's important. You need to bear in mind the step. Do you think you are supposed to write this, or you need to transform it? Transform to what format? Continue. What format you mean transform?
Right.
Correct. Please write it up here. So you always change it to minus plus c. So that's why I think your x, I think you are not supposed to move it to the back of the 9. In front, yes. Yes. So now you have 2y. Yes, y. So what you do to the 2? Yep, divided by 2. Yep, divided by 2. I think next time you need to plan yourself better. Okay, let me guide you for one. Then you will do the second one. Are you ready? Okay, pay attention here. So I will guide you for the first line. I guide you for the So I'm supposed to draw two lines, line 1 and line 2. Each line is given by a table, right? So I need to get this line into what format? Y equals to mx plus c. So I have this x plus 2y equals to 9. So what I need to do, I need to bring the x over. When you bring the x over, change the sign, right? Then the next step is I need to divide by 2. Okay, here comes the most important part. Here you divide by 2, you get y, right? But here you divide by 2, I think you need to do a better job. What you need to do, you need to take this whole thing divided by 2. Is the entire thing divided by 2. So if you have the entire thing divided by 2, you open the bracket like this. So what's the first arrow you get? The first arrow is because here is minus 1. Okay? The second arrow is 9 divided by 2.
4.
Very good. Okay. Yeah. So that is your equation. Now it's time for you to get the table. Continue. Continue for the line 1. Then later you will do the line 2 by yourself. I already helped you get the equation out already. You understand how to get below? Your mistake is here. Minus x divided by 2 is minus 1 over x. Can you give it some more space? I don't like it. You squeeze everything up and then minus x. Can you space it out more? Can you write it bigger? What minus x plus c? What plus c? Are you write it bigger? Where's the x? I want you to write it bigger, better. Now, use this, get the value of y. Show me what you key in for the first one to get y. Okay, show me. Correct. What do you get? What do you get? Yeah, 6.5. Yes, you just get the negative 4 to negative 3. Then negative 2. Okay, so when you have x here, is given by this range. So you just write down so when it's minus 4 for x, you put it in, you get 6.5. Then you put the negative 3 in, you get 6. So can you tell me the value? 6.5, 6, 5.5? Oh, they follow the sequence, right? Okay, so let me just quickly get it. So now I think you can plan, right? Why you can plan? I need to have x minus 4 to 4, right?
Yeah.
Then for the y, do you need the negative value? Do you need the negative value for y?
No.
Yeah, so negative value for y is not needed. You did not have the long ruler. Oh, you did not bring. So, you did not bring, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good, quick. Then you better bring for your exam. How come you stop here? I thought my ruler is long enough. How come you need to split it? Can you adjust yourself? Sit properly. Can you sit properly? Do you need any negative value of y? Look, do you need any negative value for y? then you give yourself the line here. You are going to have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4. Okay? You understand? You understand? Can you push the whole thing to the table? You are only using half of the table. There you start the 0. Okay, if this is the 0, where's 1? You want to make 1 so small? Or you want to give it? So you want the 1 to be here. You want the 1 to be here. If your 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 is here. So everything is squeezed. Can you give 1 here instead? So that your graph is bigger. That this is called planning. Yes. So this is called planning. Okay? Label y-axis. No, to erase this. Yes. Oh, but I give it an arrow. Quick -4. Do it one time, one shot from the extreme to the extreme. Later you don't need so much, then you erase. Okay, start with the 1 first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you start the 1 here now? Why you don't start from here? Why you need to start from here then? Wait, why? Why you choose this? Why you choose this? Why not space it out? Is it better to space it out, or is it better to squeeze them together? Answer my question. What have you done here? Space out or squeeze?
Space.
Then what about this? You want to squeeze or you want to space it out? Does it make sense to you or not? You're talking about planning. What your hand is doing? It's moving. Or can you just fix the table so that the table is not moving? Okay, good. So get the first point. -4 and 6.5. Oh, by the way, you need to go to 7. Because we have 6.5. Okay, -4, 6.5. I think it's pretty easy. Just look across. Use your hand. Where's your -4? Here, right? Where's 6.5? Mark. Good. -3, 6. Move. -3. Move. 6. And now, tissue next. Just one time can already. No need to do so many times. It's a solid dot. You don't do a hollow for me. I say one time, okay? Not circle. One time dot. -1 and 5. 0 and 4.5. 0, 4.5. One, 4. Use your hand. Both hands. This one go to 1. That one. Use 2. Bring it up. I think 1 point is wrong. 1 is 4. 2 is 3.5. Okay, 很好，继续。3 is 3. Okay. Okay, good. Link it up. fill the first point, fill the second point. If they are all okay, one line. Huh? Okay, good. Don't move the ruler, okay? Okay, good. Label the equation. Where's the equation? This one. Y equal negative half x plus 45. Okay, good. So you have drawn the first line. Second line. 2x minus y equals to 1. Do it here. Sorry. Change the 2x minus y equals to 1 to y equals to mx plus c first. Then you can see here. What's the steps? Even though your teacher went through during the class, I think you still cannot make it. You seem so hesitant and not confident at all. So for the line 2, so you change it to then you divide by 1. So when you divide by 1, you have the first arrow, then you have the second arrow. So this is minus 2 divided by minus 1 is 2x. Then this is minus 1. Okay? So it should be y equals to 2x. Divided by minus 1, yes. Over here is both of them. You need to put a bracket. So 2x divided by minus 1 minus 2x divided by minus 1. Yeah. Yeah. 2x, yes. So 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, good. So create a table. Similar table. Start from minus 4. So probably you can use x, y. Remember the 1, 2. Or you can squeeze it a little bit, because later maybe you don't have enough space. 0, 1, yep, 2, 2, yep, good, 3 and 4. Okay, good. 可以了. So don't need to draw the line first. So minus 4, put it in, what do you get? So when you reach this, so you create a table. So the x value is from here, so you get minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So do that. Minus 1, minus 5, okay. Minus 7. Hey, I think something is not right. Can you show me? First ready. Can you show me? Okay, good. 可以了，继续 next. Hey, hold on. Let me see. Why you 1 divided by minus 1 is plus 1. You look at the second arrow. If you make a mistake here, all are wrong. So it's important that you don't make mistake. You don't erase the x, the y is all wrong, the x is still okay. so you will get minus 9 minus 什么 minus 7, then minus 5, then minus 3, then minus 1, then 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Okay. Okay, so after getting the second table, right, I realized something. You know what I realized? The y is minus 9 to 7, right? Do we have negative value here? No. So how? So that means next time when we do, we need to get both table out first, because if not, our planning is wrong. During our exam, if you never get the two table out, then you go and draw, you need to keep redoing it. If you keep redoing it, you waste a lot of time. Am I right? So it's very, very important that you plan ahead. So this is one example that we did not plan ahead much. Okay, so since we need to have minus 9, right? So you better get the, okay, so maximum value is 7, right? For the y value. Then the x is very easy. So can you start with the 7 maximum here? So let's say you start with 7. No need to continue. Put the 7 here. Go 7. So it looks like we need to take this as a 6. Later I tell you why. Because we need to minus 9. Yeah, continue. Minus 1. Yes. Until minus 9. Okay, looks good. So now you just get the, this is 0. Get the, okay, hold on. Feel the extreme. Where's the start? Where's the end? The start is here. Touch the start point. I mean, use the thing to touch. Then touch that side also. Oh, draw the line. Yeah, good. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4. Space out. 1, 2, keep on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Oh, quickly. Like minus 4, 6.5. Minus 4 is use your finger, like both hand. Minus 4. Half is here. Half 是这个中间。Okay, so cut 4 here. Sorry. Yeah, just keep off. Okay, minus 3, use your hand. Minus 3 and 6. And minus 2 and 5.5. Yeah, good. 可以了。Yeah, 可以了。Minus 1 and 5. 0 and then 0 and 4.5. 4.5 is here. above. Yes. Yes. Then 1, then 1, then 1, 1. Is it 1 and 1? Or 1 and 4? Yeah, 1 and 4. Okay. 差不多了. So just link it up. Hold on. Fill the first point. Fill the last point, right? Go. Extend it until the 4. Okay, good. So label y equals to label is don't close it, you need to use it. Okay, good. So now minus 4, minus 9. Minus 4, use both hands. Minus 4, minus 9 这里. Okay, use both hands. Minus 3. Show me minus 3 and minus 7. Minus 3 is here. Use your hand. Bring it over. Minus 2, minus 5. This one is much better. Minus 1, minus 3. 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3. 3, 5. Yeah. 可以了. Fill the first point, fill the last point. First point is there. Fill it first. Fill it first. Can or not? Or can adjust a little bit? Can or cannot? Okay, good. So extend. Extend. Stop. What's the intersection point? Yeah, read. What's the point? So it's 2 point. Just yeah. Yes. 2.2. Yeah. Write down 2.2 then. What's this one? No. 3.5. Because this one unit is in between the 3 and 4 ma. So 3.5 right? It's in between 3 and 4, right? Half of it is 3.5 ma, right? Am I right or not? Or 3.4 lah in this case. Yeah, good. That's how you get the answer. Can you quickly use your calculator? Key in 129, so you will get the most accurate answer. 129, and then 2 minus 1, 1. So what's the actual answer by calculator?
2.2.
So x is equal to 2.2, y equals to
3.4.
yeah, you see? So when you draw accurate one, you get the answer. So let me take a picture of this. So looks like this part you need to go back and practice. Okay. How come? Okay, so hold on. Alright. So if you need to, okay, can you see? Can you see or not? So if you need to draw the graph, given this range, what you need to do, let me zoom into this graph. So you can go back and watch this particular section of the video. Okay, so yeah, so I have assisted you how you can actually draw the two straight lines, okay, to find the solution. So like I say just now, you can use a calculator by cal x is equal to 2.2, y is equal to 3.4, right? So by graph, which is this, okay, the first step you do is you need to get it into this format. Yeah, get into this format. What format is that? Y equals to mx plus c format. Once you get it into this format, you will get a table of x and y. Same thing for the equation 2. You get it into the format, which is this, and then you get it into the table. Okay, so let me just use the black color for this. So this is this line. Okay, the red one, then the red line is this, the red table. Okay, so once you draw these two lines, then you are intersection point. By the way, intersection point is called the solution, right? So the solution is, if you read, okay, solution is, this is the, so the solution is, you need to write in the solution format. So the solution format is x equal to 2.2, y is equal to 3.4. So this is the solution format. Okay?
Yeah.
So what is the point format? The point format is 2.2 and 3.4. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay? So yes, so this is the way to graph two equations and solve. Okay? So looks like I think we need to have one lesson before your Friday lesson. Okay? So Thursday. So most likely Thursday 5 to 7 is good. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Is it good?
I asked my mother first. Then
Yeah. So you okay. So first thing first, I will message your mom. See if your mom wants to have an extra lesson. So if your mom says yes, so most likely it's the 5 to 7. So I need to propose 5 to 7 to your mom. So is it okay for you? If your mom agrees to it. Is 5 to 7 okay for you? If your mom agrees to it.
I think so. 1 day earlier. A bit.
One day early means Thursday.
Yeah, like
Thursday finish the revision, then Friday, no? Or you prefer the Wednesday?
No, Wednesday. I think she'll prefer the timing a bit earlier.
No, not come to my house.
I know. Like online.
Oh, so you want Thursday to earlier than 5 to 7. So it means basically you want 3 to 5 or something like that, or 4 to 6.
4:30.
Okay, can 4:30 to 6. I will propose that. Okay, good. So thanks.